In this quick video, I'm going to explain how to fix the squeaking or creaking noise you might hear when accelerating in your Tesla. This issue is often caused by suspension components or interior trim rubbing together, and here's how you can address it. First, inspect the exterior of your car for any loose or worn-out parts. The squeaking noise could be coming from the suspension bushings, sway bar links, or other undercarriage components. If you notice anything loose or damaged, schedule a service appointment with Tesla to have it repaired or replaced. Next, check the interior of your car. Sometimes plastic panels or trim pieces can rub against each other, especially over bumps or during acceleration. Apply felt pads or silicone lubricant to areas where panels meet to reduce friction and eliminate the noise. If the sound seems to come from the tires, ensure they're properly inflated and in good condition. Uneven tire wear or low pressure can sometimes cause unusual noises. Rotate or replace the tires if necessary. Finally, if you're unable to pinpoint the source of the noise, visit a Tesla service center. They can perform a thorough inspection to identify and resolve the issue. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more Tesla troubleshooting tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter ride.